Siya ba yung new student? Jericho ba?
Oo nga. Bakit Jericho? Lalaki ba siya?
Tara, tanong natin kay Chiri. For sure, alam niya. Tara.
Oh my God, girl! Where's that tea? Alam niyo bang lalaki pero yung si Jericho? Kasi yung mami ko nag-work sa registrar, tapos chinek yung files niya nakalagay sa sex mail.
What? Oh my gosh!
Sige, okay.
What's that? Listen, lagi pala pero ng babae. Yak! How can gay he can get? Respeto naman dyan sa katulad kong maganda.
Ha? Ano bang sinasabi niyo?
Hindi ka ba sinita ng guard? Here's this leg, here's this and scroll to this policy.
Wala naman akong ginagawa mahimasing niyo ah. Hindi mo ba yung sinabi ni Arles na binubuli na naman ka ng new girls ang new student pa si Jericho?
Di ba sila naawa? Alam mo kung ako yan, magsusumbong ako sa admin.
Ano ka ba, Cherin? He deserve what he got.
Why not just let him do what he wants? After all, this is a free country, isn't it?
Hindi ka ba natatakot na kapag namatay ka, you'll got to hell kasi sinusuway mo yung utos ng Diyos because it clearly states in the Bible that homosexuality is forbidden by God.
Mamoha, each person is part of God's wondrous creation, no matter what they are, and what even they are lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender, you can say na mapunta ako sa impyerno.
So bad for your parents. If you were my child, itinakwil na kita.
Ako, alam ko sa sarili ko na wala akong tinatapak ang ibang tao at mabuti akong tao, hindi kayo ng iba dyan, porket religious lang, feeling nila superior sila.
Nagpaparinig ka bang bakla ka?
Uy guys, tama na yan. Wala kayong talo dito. Uy, ano bang nangyayari sa'yo? Uy, ano bang nangyayari sa'yo? Hindi na pa kita ginigising.
Ano bang nangyari?
Nananaginip ka ba?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro excited lang ako na makita ang ating new classmate.
Whiskey on ice, sunset and vine. You ruined my life by not being mine. You're so gorgeous, I can't say anything to you.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down.
Hala, this is the exact dream I had. Deja vu? No, this can't be. No more bullying and discriminating. This time, I make it right.
Eliza, this is your new student, Jericho.
Hi.
Oy guys, anong oras na ba? Di pa ba tayo uuwi?
Hoy, Jericho, mauna na kami ha. See you tomorrow. Hoy guys, salamat na pala sa first day ko ha. Bye.